Lexus IS250 front brake pad replacement. I'm gonna remove your tire, 21 lug nut first. Alright, now you want to remove both your 14mm, one there, and the lower one right there. Alright, once you remove your two 14s, just kind of pry right there on your caliper, take it off. Alright, calipers off. Remove your brake pad. Compress your piston. Alright, once your piston's compressed, now you want to install your new brake pads. The old brake pads, they have some clips on the side here. This is the outer, this is the inner. Comes with new clips. Just want to put them back in the same spot as the old ones are. Alright, now you just reinstall your new brake pads. Tighten down your 14. Reinstall your tire. Pump your pedal. That's the Lexus IS250 front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.